going on, guys? Dujo here, coming at you guys with a brand new video. In this video today, as you can probably tell by the title, we are finally going to be banging some no lifts for you guys. So actually in today's video, we're going to be going to the MHD options and we're going to be selecting the shift bog delete and the port injection fuel cut. Correct me if I'm wrong. We're gonna go inside the car right now and we're gonna double check exactly the settings you have to go through in order to do this. But I don't know why I haven't done this a lot sooner, because it's really like as simple as just checking off two boxes, guys, and then flashing the map. So it's really simple, really easy, and you can save a lot of time with these no lifts. So it's not actually like a watt box no lift shift, it's MHD's version of it, but it's still a lot faster than just regular shifting. To get that flash on there, I'm gonna go in the car with you guys right now. I'm gonna show you the process of how to do it really quick, really easy. Just check off two boxes and then we're gonna head out there. Maybe I'm gonna grab German 2J and see if he wants to come for a ride, see how the no lifts feel, and slap on the GoPro, guys, and take it for a rip. In the car now, and I got my Beamer Geeks K plus DCAN cable. I'm a little old fashioned because as you guys know, with the JB4 I got the Bluetooth going, but MHD old fashioned. I don't have the wireless adapter, but this Beamer Geeks cable is really quick. So first things first, I'm gonna plug in the Beamer Geeks cable. I'm gonna connect to my Samsung $80 Best Buy tablet, and I just felt like I had to throw that in there. And then once I connect, I'm gonna open up MHD, so I'll show you guys. The logo should be facing towards you and you shouldn't have to force the cable in. It should go in very easy and you'll know it's in because you'll see this little light come on right here. You can see the light comes on and you know you're plugged in. So once again, you're gonna wanna put your key into the ignition and you're just gonna click the start button once until you're in accessory mode. Now that you're in accessory mode, I can access into my MHD. Open it up here for you guys. So now the first thing you want to do is open up the MHD flasher, and right away my maps popped up for me, but I'm just gonna go to my flash I currently have on the car right now, my last flash, and we're gonna reflash it, but there's something I want to do first. So now, as you guys can see, it says map right, or you can go to options. So I'm gonna select the option. Once you're in the options, you're gonna have a couple things you can choose from. So you guys obviously know about the exhaust burble, but if you actually come down, I'm gonna get the camera to focus here. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit more. If you come down, you can see shift bog, torque limit, delete, and then port injection, safety, coil cut. So that's basically MHD's version of like the no lift shift. I'm going to select these two boxes. As you guys can see, I've selected both of them, and I'm just gonna go back. It's contacting. It's probably needs to adjust the time for the flash. Okay, so it's actually a fairly quick flash. So the map right's only gonna take 2 minutes. So now we can actually go ahead and click map right. So it's gonna contact the DME. It's gonna get everything connected. It's gonna be a quick flash, guys. It said it was only about 2 minutes. So we're gonna let everything process. I'm gonna let the car do the flash. As you can see, here we go. Now it says 0%. Wow, 1 minute left already. So it's gonna be fairly quick. Success. So turn off ignition and wait 30 seconds. So we're gonna turn off the ignition. We're gonna count to 30 seconds. We wait 30 seconds, make sure the car is in neutral, and we're actually gonna fire right back up. Alright guys, so we got Erwin's got the camera going in the passenger and we got the GoPro going. We're getting double angle for you guys. but we're about to get onto the streets of Mexico and test out the no lift, the MHD no lift. It should feel a little weird the first time because I've never tried a no lift, but I feel like I'm just gonna try first one, like a third to fourth easy one, and then from there we'll try other ones. I'm in fourth right now. Try no lift.
Okay, try no lift first.
So just don't take your foot off.
Don't take your foot off the gas. Don't do it when you're spinning.
Yeah. Oh. I had to warm up the tires, guys. As you see, she's still spinning. Maybe give it like a 1-2 hit. Should warm her up. Try my first one a fourth to fifth, to be honest. But don't go for it if I'm spinning.
So you get the forward lane in case someone turns.
Spinning. Second and third? But if it's spinning, I can't, right?
No, like if it's fully spinning, yeah, don't.
It's gonna spin.
Try, go. See, times are warm. Try. That hooked, bro.
That shit hooked. That was nice. The no lifts feel awesome. I thought it was gonna be a lot harder, but like after the first 1-2, like I started getting the hang of it, and it feels night and day. Like that second gear I just did right there, like was like my first ever like second gear that actually like hooked, like grabbed hard and hooked up hard in between the shift too. So I don't know why it took so long to do this, but I'm glad I did because now it feels amazing. Can't wait to whip it out when we got some Challengers.
Some Dodge Challengers.
Some Dodge Challengers. Chicks, eh? You boys trying to run it?
You want to run?
Hey!
Hey, you want to run?
You boys trying to run it? Where are you guys going?
Oh shit, he's shooting flames. He's shooting flames. Yo, that thing's sick. Is it one? He's coming. Yo, that thing is sick. Why did you tune it?
Yeah, as soon as I entry cool, I'm just like, that's how he wants to run it. As soon as the front of the car,
Yeah.
fucking pipe coming in, I'm just like, that's how he wants to fucking run it. I'm like, alright, that's fucking interesting.
Yeah, that was
But
awesome.
no, mine's a lot torqueier, the biggest rock in the back.
Oh yeah.
What is that? That's how fucking go.
You launched right in. I was in second gear and you just took off. Yeah.
But no, nice run.
Thanks, man.